When I was a lad, an old chef was a pup. Over hills and meadows we'd stray, just a boy and his dog. We were both full of fun. We grew up together that way. I remember the time at the old swimming hole when I would have drowned beyond doubt. But old Chef was right there to the rescue. He came, he jumped in and helped pull me out. As the years fast did roll, old Chef he grew. His eyes were fast growing dim, and one day the doctor looked at me and said, I can do no more for him, Jim. With hands that were trembling, I picked up my gun and aimed it at Chef's faithful head. I just couldn't do it. I wanted to run. I wish they would shoot me instead. He came to my side and he looked up at me and laid his old head on my knee. I had struck the best friend that a man ever had. I cried so I scarcely could see. Old Shelby has gone where the good dog is gone, and no more with old Shep will I roam. But if dogs have a heaven, there's one thing I know. Old Shep has a wonderful home. Ooh.
I love my dog as much as I love you. Though you may fade, my dog will always come through. All he asks from me is the food to give him strength. All he ever needs is love, and that he knows he'll get. So I love my dog as much as I love you. Though you may fade, my dog will always come through. All the pay I need comes a-shining through his eyes. I don't need no cold water to make me realize that I love my dog as much as I love you. But you may may fade, my dog will always come through. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I love my dog as much as I love you. Though you may fade, my dog will always come through. I love my dog, baby, I love my dog. Na 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 na. I said I love my dog, baby, I love my dog, baby, I love my dog. Na 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 na.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Well, the party was nice, the party was pumping,
Hey, yeah.
and everybody having a ball
Hey, hey.
until the fellas started name calling, and the girls respond to the call. I heard a woman shout out,
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I see the dance people had a ball cause Billy Fountains get out. Get back, Gruffy, bash Gruffy, get back, you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I man no get angry.
Hey, yeah.
280 cows calling them K9. Hey, but they tell me, hey man, it's part of the party. You put a woman in front and a man behind. I heard a woman shout out,
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
say, a doggy is nothing if he don't have a bone.
Oh doggy, hold your bone. Oh doggy, hold it.
A doggy is nothing if he don't have a bone.
Oh doggy, hold your bone. Oh doggy, hold it. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I see the dance people had a ball cause Billy Fountains get out. Get back, Gruffy, bash Gruffy, get back, you flea infested mongrel.
Well, if I am a dog, the party is on. I gotta get my groove on, got my mind, I'm gone. Do you see the rays coming from my eye? Walking through the prison, Digimon is breaking them down. Me and my white talk, short, dealing, gassy color. Any caliber do, I think I knew that's why they call me Pitbull. Cause I'm the man of the land, with it to me to do. Who let the dogs out? 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 Who let the dogs You know my girl now. You know my girl just called me up, and she woke me from my sleep. She said I heard the things she said. You know she hurt my
Why?
Cause I need a friend now.
Babe, you need all the friends you can get, I'm telling you.
I'm gonna buy me a dog. My girl, no love, no how. Don't ruin my song. It's the only song I
already
have.
ruined, so it was wrong.
Where's the verse? She used to bring me my newspaper.
You don't even know where it's at.
She knew where it was at. She used to keep me so contented. But I can teach a dog to do that. I'm gonna buy me a dog.
You couldn't teach a dog to do that, you can only train elephants.
Cause I need a friend now.
I need a friend now.
Now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy me a dog.
A dog, here over Fido Spot.
My girl, no love, no how. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hike! Hike!
I was late on that one. I just got back from Africa, you know. I was playing cards with the natives.
Oh, Zulus?
No, I usually won.
I wish I had a glass of water.
Why, you thirsty?
No, I want to see if my neck links. I'd buy a raccoon, but John already has.
35 bucks.
I'm gonna buy me a dog.
Dog.
A dog?
Yeah.
Cause I need a friend now.
Yeah, yeah.
Boop boop shabop bop ram lam. I'm gonna buy me a dog. What my girl don't love me no how.
Now, brown cow.
I think I'm gonna buy me a dog, yes sir. I'm gonna buy me a dog. If I was looking for a word to describe what I'm gonna buy, I think dog would be the word.
Dog?
It would be dog.
Definitely
That would
dog.
come springing from my lips. Dog.
Let's get out of here. Come on.
It'd be springing
Is
from
that
my...
it, Tommy? Can you turn it off, please? Can somebody open the door and let us out? They're coming to take us away.
Bandit was a black lab that had brought home. He said, son, he's yours from now on. Bandit looked at me and he cocked his head. Slept that night on the foot of my bed. All that year I can see him still chasing after me, nipping at my heels. Down to the bus stop, my new best friend, still waiting right there when I got home again. And I thought we would be together, go on and on just like that forever. But I was young back then, I guess I just didn't know. Little boys grow up and dogs get old. He was my sidekick through thick and thin, and he'd bark at my fish when I'd reel them in. Summers came and went, and we grew like weeds. And I don't know if I raised him or he raised me. And I thought we would be together, go on and on just like that forever. But I was young back then, how was I supposed to know? Little boys grow up and dogs get old. He was 14 when I left for Tennessee, and he came down the front porch steps a little slow. I got down to hug his neck, said, you take care of mom and dad till I get home. Be a good boy. Now you be a good boy. And I thought we would just like that forever. But I was young back then. God, I wish I didn't know. Little boys grow up and dogs get old.
How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do hope that doggy is for sale. I must take a trip to California and leave my poor sweetheart alone. If he has a dog, he won't be lonesome, and the doggy will have a good home. How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do hope that doggy is for sale. I read in the papers there are robbers with flashlights that shine in the dark. My love needs a doggy to protect him and scare them away with one bark. I don't want a bunny or a kitty.